This galaxy breaks every rule we thought we knew about the universe. What you're seeing isn't one galaxy. It's two, colliding at thousands of miles per second. At its heart, a supermassive black hole so powerful it reshapes an entire galaxy cluster. This galaxy even produces sound, the deepest note ever detected, 57 octaves below human hearing. C24 sits at the center of the Perseus cluster, a cosmic city of thousands of galaxies. In 1786, William Herschel discovered this object using a telescope he built by hand. No cameras, no computers, just human eyes and raw curiosity. Herschel thought it was a simple nebula. He was actually seeing one of the most violent galaxies in the universe. This is Caldwell 24, a galaxy that collides, sings, and rewrites cosmic history.